Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be taking you through how to do automatic copy trading on Alpha Impact. So to copy someone on Alpha Impact, you'll obviously need an Alpha Impact account. You can see here lots of different traders are posting. The first thing you'll need to do is actually connect your Binance or other exchange account to Alpha Impact. So the first exchange we've launched is with Binance. So you can connect your Binance account. I'm not going to show you how to do the API key generation, but basically it's a connection between your Binance account and Alpha Impact. So we have another video you can do that you can watch. Then you can head over to the Discover section where you'll be able to see different traders that are available to be copied. So let's go ahead and click on Chris. He's got an auto-copyable portfolio. Now I've already subscribed to Chris, so there's a monthly subscription fee that I pay to get access, so you'll get his alerts. So this is a secret alert that just went out only to his paid subscribers, and we're actually going to be able to see his portfolio as well. So keep in mind you get real-time data. You can look at some of the historical trades, and I just want to go back and show one thing. Look at this, he sold Luna basically the day before it collapsed at $79. So you can see here over the long-term time horizon, he's been way outperforming the market. So to auto copy Chris, we're going to go ahead and press auto copy. You need to choose the portfolio that you're going to use. So this is of course a video test, and you can see the current portfolio and Chris's portfolio. So for you probably will only see a few different exchanges here as it's based on what you've connected. So then we're going to go ahead and press next, and there's just a few things we need to tick here, disclaimers, all that fun stuff, and we press confirm. So what this means, when this is done, it will automatically rebalance my portfolio to mirror what Chris has done in his portfolio. So when Chris makes a trade, I make the same trade automatically. So there we go. I'm successfully auto-copying his portfolio. Okay, and for all the aspiring traders on the platform, don't worry, you can make an auto-copyable portfolio as well. So to do that, if you want other people to copy, you're going to head over to your profile, click on monetization, and if you have not monetized, you'll be prompted to monetize. You can see here I've already done that. I'm charging $10 a month, and I'm also going to go ahead and press set up now for auto-copyable portfolio. So let's go ahead and use my Binance account. You can see there's some assets in there, and basically it just takes a few moments. You press the button, it takes a few moments to connect to our backend system, and what this really means is that people will now be able to pay a fee to me, and they can automatically copy my trades. So you can see here it's been successfully set as an auto-copyable portfolio. So that's it. That's all it takes, and you can be off to the races. People can be paying subscriptions to you, copying your trades, and this is how you start building the community. Thanks so much. Have a great day.